Raj Thackeray-led Maharashtra Navnirman Sena has warned theatres against screening of Gujarati and other language movies during prime time. MNS has said that Mumbai theatres should play only Marathi films between 6 and 9 in the evening. Last week, the party workers had violently protested against the screening of Gujju Bhai the Great at Sona Gold Cinema. The theatre is in Borivali area, which has a large Gujarati population. In April, Maharashtra Culture Minister Vinod Tawade issued a directive for multiplexes to screen at least one Marathi film during prime time. That, remember, had triggered a huge controversy. It forced Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis to issue a fresh notice stating that Marathi films could be screened between 12 noon to 9 p.m. And now the MNS is protesting against what it calls Gujarati movies being screened during prime time at multiplexes. It says that at prime time between 6 and 9 in the evening, only Marathi movies should be shown on the big screens. Amruta Shedge is now joining us with more details. Amruta, where has this protest really emanated from? Because this movie Gujju Bhai that we are talking about is being screened at in an area which is largely Gujarati populated, and therefore it makes sense for that hall to air a Gujarati movie to make money.
But if we talk about MNS agenda, then it is always pro-Marathi agenda and against other languages. This is not the first protest that took place. Before also there were many such protests. MNS did rather against the other languages and also against the prime time slot given to the other language movies, especially Hindi movies, Bollywood movies. So now MNS has made it clear that they will also in future protest against such movies if the prime time slot, they are giving the prime time slot to the other languages movies. So this is what the agenda of MNS so far. And in last week also they have protested against Gujju Bhai by saying that the prime time slot should be given to Marathi movies in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, and not given to the other languages movies. So this is not a new protest for MNS. There have been many such protests in past also.
All right, Amruta, stay on with us. We have with us Manoj Desai, is a Gujarati film producer, joining us on the phone line. Mr. Desai, this is a case where we are seeing that the MNS is stopping the airing of a Gujarati movie, in particular Gujju Bhai the Great in Borivali area. Are you all going to speak with the government as to why this protest should be allowed and whether or not other language movies can be aired, particularly during prime time? Because remember, there has already been this issue in Maharashtra earlier on as well, and a clarification was in fact issued that Marathi films can be aired between 12 noon and 9 and other language films can also be aired.
Exactly, and let me tell you very frankly that we always complete our quota of Marathi films. Because of government of Maharashtra has compulsory told us to give 120 shows during a year, and we give it. And that also we give it in prime time. After that, if we require some other religion to become there, as I have done Puli. Puli is a South Indian movie of Sri Devi fantasy movie. Because I was not having any other film, I'm running that. The same way, if we don't have any other film and if we run any religion film, after completing the formality of Marathi priority, and 120 shows which government at Maharashtra has compulsory told us to put it. After finishing that show, if we put some other film, I don't think that there will be any objection by respected Rajji or
Mr. Desai, I'll ask you to hold on because we have with us an MNS associated person, Amey Khopkar, on the phone line with us as well. Let's put that question to him. Mr. Khopkar, Mr. Desai there says that, 120 movies that is mandatory to be shown, Marathi movies already being shown. So why this objection to one particular Gujarati movie or other language movies that can be shown by the theatres it is a question of revenue as well over there.
एक अन्य लैंग्वेज के फिल्मों के लिए बिल्कुल विरोध नहीं है
जी,
पर महाराष्ट्र में प्रायोरिटी पहले मराठी फिल्मों को, बाकी के लैंग्वेज जो फिल्म्स है वो भी चलनी चाहिए, उनको भी थिएटर्स मिलने चाहिए, पर पहली प्रायोरिटी मराठी फिल्मों को।
तो खोपकर जी, आप लोगों का प्रोटेस्ट किस चीज पर है? क्योंकि मनोज देसाई जी जो एक फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि मराठी फिल्म्स ऑलरेडी चल रही हैं। जिस हिसाब से महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने डायरेक्टिव दिया है, 120 पिक्चरें मराठी ऑलरेडी लगी हुई हैं, लगती हैं प्राइम टाइम में। तो ये जो गुज्जू भाई द ग्रेट मूवी है, उसका प्रोटेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
नहीं, कैसा है, अभी मनोज जी बहुत सालों से मराठी फिल्में उनके थिएटर में लगाते आए, उन्होंने मराठी फिल्मों को रिस्पेक्ट किया है, हमेशा उनका सपोर्ट रहा है मराठी फिल्मों को लेके। पर ऐसे कई मल्टीप्लेक्स है, जो कई ऐसे सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर्स है जहाँ पे मराठी फिल्में शोज हाउसफुल होने के बावजूद लगाते नहीं, और किसी अन्य भाषाओं के फिल्मों को विरोध एमएनएस का बिल्कुल नहीं है। पर हमारी एक ही साउथ में अभी आप देखेंगे तो पहले उनकी फिल्मों को प्राधान्य दिया जाता है, बाद में हिंदी फिल्में और इंग्लिश फिल्में। तो और यहाँ पे अच्छी फिल्में, मराठी फिल्मों को प्राइम टाइम मिलना चाहिए। इस मुद्दे को लेके कई सालों से हम झगड़ा कर रहे हैं।
खोपकर जी, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, आप हमारे साथ रहिए। मनोज देसाई के पास फिर से चलते हैं ये बात समझने के लिए। मिस्टर देसाई, if you just heard Mr. Khopkar speak there, he is saying that there are some multiplexes that still do not run Marathi movies, even if they are going houseful, and in fact prefer airing some of the other language movies. Is that true? Is this protest then perhaps somewhere valid, because there are people who are demanding that Marathi movies be given equal preference?
Yeah, of course it is according to rules of Maharashtra government. We have to show 120 shows of Marathi pictures in a prime time.
Okay.
And I appreciate remaining in Maharashtra, being in Maharashtrian, we must show Marathi film, and we are showing. Amayji is very much aware of this. Shalini Tai is also very much aware of this. Chitrapat Shakha, that we are running, and everybody has to run Marathi film as far as the Maharashtra is concerned, because prime time, it is government of Maharashtra has taken out the rule that 120 shows are compulsory. Okay. And they are right. In Maharashtra, we must do this.
All right. So, Mr. Khopkar, if the fault is on part of the multiplexes, shouldn't you be going to the government for a recourse rather than protesting against a particular movie? In this case, Gujju Bhai the Great, which is a Gujarati movie.
Why don't you ask the same question to the government, to the Shiv Sena BJP leaders? क्योंकि इतने सालों से शिव सेना भी मराठी फिल्मों को लेके अगर आंदोलन कर रही है, तो शिवसेना तो अभी गवर्नमेंट में, उनको हमें आंदोलन करने की जरूरत क्या है? शिवसेना के हाथ पे तो पावर है, उनको रूल और सख्त करनी चाहिए।
Okay. All right. Mr. Khopkar and Mr. Desai, many thanks for speaking with India Today. So clearly, the MNS continues to say that there are some multiplexes that are flouting the norm of running 120 shows of Marathi movies as directed by the government, and that is why they are protesting against this particular movie, Gujju Bhai the Great, that is running in a theatre in Borivali, which is largely, remember, Gujarati populated.